Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can close the bidding for your request for quotation. So first of all you need to click on browse module and then you need to go to sales and purchase. Now once you will come in sales and purchase, you need to go to quotations. Now please check. In my quotation module, these are the list of all my sales quotations. So I need to select from the document and select the request for quotation. So these are all the request for quotation. As you can see that one of the request for quotation is open. The bidding status is open. So suppose I got a revert on that and then after I went ahead and created a PO. So now I need to go ahead and close the request for quotation. How I can do so? So I will open this particular request for quotation. On your right hand side, click on other action. Now here you will get an option of close bidding. Click on close bidding. Then after it will ask for the confirmation. Click on yes. Once you will click on yes, the bidding is closed. I will go back to my sales and purchase quotation and request for quotation. Please check the request for quotation which I just selected and close the bidding. Now the bidding status is closed. So this is how you can go ahead and close the bidding on your request for quotation. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.